Well, it's Sunday night, about 8:36. I just fired up the GMC because it is very cold and it's supposed to get icy tonight. They're predicting like a tenth of an inch of ice, freezing rain kind of thing tonight. And I didn't know this was coming, so I left the Coleman heat pump on at the shop. So I'm gonna have to drive over there and shut it down because I don't like it to run when it's freezing rain. Sure wish I had a Wi-Fi thermostat. I could have just clicked on there and shut it down from right here. So I may have to get a Wi-Fi stat here pretty quick, guys. I'm about to make too many more trips over there like this. Ooh, gotta have a little heat. Yeah, the roads look a little bit slick, but I don't think they're icy because the ground is too warm. But there is ice forming up on anything up off the ground. I noticed on my mailbox when I pulled out of the driveway, it had ice on the top of it. We're expecting some more rain. It rained a good bit about 2 hours ago, and I actually heard the sleet coming down a little bit too. But there's more rain on the way, and it's supposed to stay like 29 tonight, so hopefully it won't be more than a tenth of an inch. That could be bad. Alright, here I am. I'm about 12 hours early for work, but we can't let the Coleman heat pump run on an icy night. That would not be good for it. Go around here and check on it. I don't imagine it's running very much. It's set on 60, so glad to see if it's been running though. Got the ice on it. No, it looks like it's okay. No ice on it. Haven't been running that much. But I'm gonna shut it down anyway, just for the heck of it. Wall heater's been burning a little bit, or maybe that's just a pilot light, but I bet that heat pump has been cycling. It's right on 60, but I'm going to shut it down, so it won't have to be an iceberg in the morning. Make sure we got this ready to go. Yeah, it's setting on number 2, number 1.5. Let's see. It was right ready to fire up on it. I think I'll leave it on 2. It won't be so cold in the morning when I get here. It don't take long to warm up the garage out there with the old monster up there. See if we can see its pilot light in the dark. Yep, I see it burning up there. It's ready to go. Okay, I'll give y'all an update in the morning on the ice.